If you're a student club organizer and you want to register new students for your club, this tutorial is for you. In this video, you will learn how to create a club registration form in minutes for free. To create your registration form, first you need to open Forms app and sign up for a free account. Once you are logged in, click on Create Form and then search for School Club Registration Form. Select the template to get started. This template comes with standard questions and a professional-looking design, and you can edit, delete, or add any questions you want. Next, you can customize the look and feel of your form by going to the Design tab. Here, you can choose from free themes, upload your own background image, and change the colors and fonts if you want. Before you share your form with the students, you can preview it by clicking on the eye icon. This will show you how your form will look on different devices and browsers. Finally, you can share your form by going to the Share tab and selecting one of the options. You can copy and share the form URL directly or embed it on your website. That's it for this tutorial. Now you can create a registration form and expand your school clubs with new members. If you want to learn more about Forms app's features and integrations, check out our other tutorials and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy form building!